This is the dashboard. It's the first screen you find when you log into the playground. From here we can manage our projects. We can duplicate, edit, and delete any project that we own. To create a project, we click on the New Project button. When prompted, we enter our desired name and click Create Project. This is the playground. Before we get into the user interface in the next video, let's go over the project settings. On the left side top corner, you'll find a button with the name of the project. Clicking on it will take us to the project settings. Over here, we have the general settings, such as the name of the project, the subdomain name when it'll get hosted by our service, the title, the description of your project, the fav icon, and the language. Over at the Integrations tab, we find input fields where we can add our Now and GitHub tokens for custom publishing. Next, we have the Fonts tab, where we can embed fonts off of Google Fonts and have them immediately available within our project. With the Custom Code tab, we can add Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager IDs, as well as custom snippets of code to make our website more functional. We can add scripts within the head and body of our project's HTML. And finally, we have the Social tab, where we can add a title, a description, and an image. These will appear when the project will be displayed on social media platforms. Well, that's it for project settings. See you in the next video where we'll go over the user interface.